Hey everybody, I'm going to show you really quickly why using a screencast tool like ScreenCast-O-Matic is super useful. So screencasting tools allow you to quickly capture and edit videos. So this could be a screen capture where you're showing what you're doing on the video screen. This could be a message to your students just checking in for the week. Or it could be step-by-step tutorials for things like math or science where you want to walk them through a set of steps. And so ScreenCast-O-Matic is a tool that can be used for this. And I personally like ScreenCast-O-Matic because it makes it really easy to edit these videos. So when you are recording, whether you're recording your screen or a lecture, once you're done, ScreenCast-O-Matic pops up with the option to either save your video or to edit the video. And so if you click that edit option, it will allow you to crop the video and make it shorter. Maybe you have the beginning or the end that you want to get rid of, but it also allows you to edit the audio. So you could remove the audio entirely, or you could remove portions of the audio that you don't need for your video. And then in the save options, it gives you the option to save it to your computer right away. You can also save it to the ScreenCast-O-Matic cloud, which is their web-based storage. Or it lets you upload it directly to YouTube. And so it's integrated into those formats to make it easy so that it doesn't bog down your computer by saving it directly to your computer space. The other thing that I really like about ScreenCast-O-Matic is that it integrates directly into Google Classroom, Canvas, and YouTube. So you can use that embed code and automatically be able to pop it into your course with just that quick embed code rather than having to do anything additional with that video. So that makes it super helpful as well. One other quick tip that I have for you, I'm using a USB camera. You could use the integrated camera that's on your laptop, but if you use a USB camera, it provides you with some additional options. So by using a USB camera, I can record myself. I could also have the screen capture going like I do right now, but you could also take this camera and use it to do maybe some math problems. And so you could be writing down the steps for math and showing students step by step the process for how to do that. The other trick for doing that is that if you open your camera app on your computer, so I'm going to go to camera and pop that open. Now I have two cameras that are both showing up in my screencast. So I can select which camera I want to record. And for this second screen, I'm going to use this one to record like as a document camera. And so I can put this on my document and I can be taking my step-by-step notes. I can be taking my step-by-step notes for math on here, and you can still see my face in that second camera. So if you need a document camera or you want to record steps and have students still looking at a second screen, then this is a great way to do that using an integrated camera and a USB camera. So if you were doing a science experiment, this would be a great opportunity where I could have my science experiment and all of my tools and things here, and then be recording my information or my data there on that second camera. So hopefully that's something that's useful for you and you can find some applications for this. If you have questions, linked in the additional resources are some other videos and a PowerPoint from Amanda Adams and from Carla Barkman on the exact steps for how to record in ScreenCast, as well as the ScreenCast tutorial website. So if you have questions, feel free to reach out to us.